Okay, you made it to the final lesson. This is all about revising. So, you're going to take the story that you've written so far, you're going to take the feedback that I've given you, and you're going to work on improving your content, your structure, and the flow. This might involve changing some sentences or some paragraphs or some sections to make sure the story is clear and engaging. You'll take my feedback and you will apply it to your short story. Now, remember, if I put suggestion, that's just a suggestion. But if it's highlighted, you actually need to correct it because it might be a spelling error or a grammatical error. Or if there's a big old plot hole, you'll definitely want to fix that to ensure that your reader can understand what you're writing about. Now, why revise? Revisions help strengthen your story. And while you're editing it and you're applying my feedback and my suggestions, think about what you want to change in your story as well. So here are some quick tips. Read your story aloud. Try to identify any awkward phrasing or pacing problems. Cut out any unnecessary scenes or descriptions that don't help move the story forward. And ensure that each scene has a clear purpose. There will be a checklist of questions that you can ask yourself as you're reading to ensure that the structure, the character development, the dialogue, and the setting and descriptions all make sense. So for your final assignment, you are going to revise, and then you will submit it. And there will be a final video because I also want you to make a video presentation of your short story. Now, it is optional, but I'm still going to highly recommend that you complete that portion of this workshop. And as always, questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out.